Hello beauties, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm extremely excited because I got my hands on this gorgeous palette here. I actually love the colors in it. So everyone is actually raving how gorgeous it is and I was like, I have to buy it. So first of all, the packaging is amazing. The color scheme is amazing. There's 14 shades in it. So there's shimmer colors on the top row except for the white, and there's the matte colors on the bottom. So there's few pressed pigments like that and that. I think they're pressed pigments. The color payoff is amazing and they blend like a dream. This is the first look I came up with. I'm going to do many more looks using this palette because it's gorgeous, and the opportunities to create different looks are endless because look at the selection. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous palette. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look here, if you love it, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the color Estate and a big fluffy brush from MAC. This one is 224, and lightly diffusing this color into my crease. Next, I'm taking color Palm from the palette and a MAC 221 brush and slightly starting to map out the shape for my eyes. I want to keep it very circular and round. I'm gonna repeat the same step a few times just to get the depth and definition. Going back to the color Estate again and the same brush I used before, just diffusing the very edges of the palm color just to make sure everything's nicely blended together. Once again going with the palm color and just further deepening the eye socket. Then I'm taking Mediterranean color from the palette, which is a nice blue shimmery color, and using flat brush just to pack the color onto the lids. First I'm using dry brush to apply the color, and then I'm doing the same using my fingers just to pack the color on and just to get a better color payoff. And then I will be spraying the brush with the fixing spray so I could get the best color payoff I possibly can. With my Sigma Geofiber blend brush in E41, I'm taking some palm color and creating transition, so literally just shading where my blue Mediterranean color meets the palm color, also applying the same eyeshadow with the same brush into my crease and lightly diffusing the edges again just to make sure everything is blended nicely. Then I'm taking color Sails and highlighting underneath the brows and in the inner part of my eyes using flat brush from Zoeva and 231. Next step I'm doing is applying a Bobbi Brown black gel liner, and I'm using the MAC brush, and it's the MAC 2H3 brush, and creating a winged liner. For lashes I'm using Lilly Lashes in style Miami, and then I'm taking Charlotte Tilbury cream eyeshadow in Marie Antoinette and applying that on the lower lash line, also using Mediterranean color to pack that on top, and applying some black kohl pencil and just smudging it out with some angled brush and a little bit of powder color. So last step is to do my lips, and for that I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Pencil, and I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in this nice peach color. Apply that on my lips and some Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk and lip gloss just to add more definition. So here is the finished look. I absolutely loving how it turned out. I only used 3 colors from this Riviera palette and it's pretty easy to achieve as well. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked this look and you don't want to miss my other looks using this palette, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and I sure will see you in my next video. Bye!